Hello everyone, this is Team F8 presenting a major project on real-time emotion detection using facial expression and music recommendation system under the esteemed guidance of G.Charles Babu sir, Professor of CSE. The team comprises of 4 members, Sreekar, Ganesh, Nithin and Akhil. Music serves as an essential role to increase a person's felt emotions because music functions as an important source of entertainment for both music fans and listeners. The innovative music player is based on emotions through unmanned song selection that corresponds to emotional states. An emotion music player analyzes the facial expression, then selects the song which corresponds to the current emotional state. We have used the machine learning technique called Fisher-Face algorithm that serves to identify the emotions. The emotion-based music player combines Fisher-Face algorithm to detect user moods efficiently, thus offering music suggestions based on the music base. The selected algorithm maintains outstanding performance levels while accepting data from multiple sources, which makes it ideal for practical use. Similar other music recommendation systems and their potential are undisputed through the process with the limitations. The main technical problem regarding the emotion detection involves achieving proper and repeatable emotion detections and both different groups and environmental settings. Variety of facial expressions changes significantly because of cultural norms and personal behavior and contextual factors, requiring training of algorithms and handling the differences. The fusion of art with technology through emotional music recommendation system represents an outstanding connection between human beings and their experiences via intelligent application development. Difficulties persist while future-looking promises because substantial benefit exists for audience as well as musicians and entire music creating a business. Technology systems will continue their evolution to create more effective music connections which will produce life benefits we did not think possible. Coming to the problem statement, music is recognized as a powerful medium to affect and achieve positive mood in an individual. It's a way for listeners and music lovers to take both pleasure and express themselves, emotion, relaxation, stimulation with all a source. Although the existing music recommendations rely on certain features of listener like his preferences, his listening history, the genre he or she has chosen, it may not fully capture the listener's current emotional state. This means this system can fail to be music that plays most relevant content that speaks to emotional need of an individual at any point in time. In compensation for the shortcoming, the emotion-based music player suggests a new approach that takes advantage of users' emotional states to dynamically select and play musical pieces. Rather than depending on expressed likes and dislikes, the system actively monitors the user's emotional reactions to construct a more personalized and interactive sound exposure. Sophisticated machine learning algorithms enable facial expression recognition, whereas Fisher-Face algorithm recognizes and categorizes users' facial expression. The derived facial expressions provide insightful information regarding the user's emotional status, whether the person is happy, sad, angry, or surprised. After an emotional status detected, the system uses this as a basis to select music that either supports the mood of an individual or responds to it. For instance, if the user is showing symptoms of happiness, the system will select happy and upbeat music. If user is showing symptoms of sadness, it will play a soothing and melancholic melodies. The beauty of idea is music suggestions will not only be add on traditional criteria but will also take into account emotional needs of the person, thus having potential to offer a richer and more emotionally true sound experience for the listener. Here comes the proposed solution. So the primary objective of the concept is to allow user to operate their music based on their felt emotion, which is monitored by user's facial expression. This is accomplished using two technologies. Machine learning algorithms employed to identify user emotion through facial expression and web development technologies utilized for the front-end development of the music player. And here we have two modes, Q mode and emotion mode. Q mode, the soundtrack plays sequentially based on playlist the user has defined. The mood mode or the emotion mode for the project is playing music according to the emotions of the user. Here comes the implementation of the project. So first we open the command prompt and give the command capture.py, and then the interface of the music recommendation will get displayed onto the screen. Like you can see that here is the music recommendation system and the interface. So now we are selecting the emotion mode and now the song is getting played accordingly.